Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some chores, and first thing I do is always take care of my animals first, so let's go get started on that. I generally get the goats first because they're the loudest and they complain the most. So let's go take care of them. So after I get the animals done, I have to ride through the garden every day. So, and kind of get me a plan of what I need to pick this evening when it gets a little cooler. Definitely going to have to pick some cucumbers. I was hoping to get some beans for the market this weekend, but they're not going to be ready. So I picked these 2 rows hard last night, or yesterday evening, and I'll have to hit them again tonight, so it's all right. Let's go over and this was the south garden, so let's go check the north garden, see what it looks like. That's mainly where my let's check the watermelons first. Watermelons look really good, but they don't have a whole lot of fruit set, so maybe they'll come on. So let's go over and check the squash. Definitely gonna have to pick squash tonight. And we hit this hard yesterday. We got a bushel of squash out this yesterday, but they look beautiful out here. And this is zucchini. I see a bunch of zucchini in there. Got peppers to my left and to your right, and then I got rolling beans on my right, and they look really good too. I've got quite a lot of blooms on them, but I have quite a bit of jalapenos, I think, this week to pick, because there's a lot of big ones on there. All right, let's okra's right over here. Let's check it out, and then we'll go do our water. Okra's looking real good. I'm getting them old beetles on there though, so I'd set some of them traps out or something. Pumpkins look really good. I'll show you those later. Let's go do our water. So I generally alternate on the high tunnels, especially now. Boy, I can see a bunch of rock tomatoes in here since yesterday. But I generally water, especially this time of year, I water one day and the other one the next day. And I don't give them a whole lot of deep watering, because I think a little bit of watering every day or every other day works best. If it's not so hot, now I will deep water once or twice a week. Got some peppers getting ready to get planted right here. Yeah, I got some more tomatoes I need to plant. I started to plant them the other night, and I had to go into work. Matter of fact, we had a really bad storm and blowed down. Oh, let's see if we can see it. Blowed down 2 rows of tomatoes here. Well, it blowed these down. Then blowed these down over here. And then it blowed all these down over here. So I don't know, I'm probably gonna have to get some kind of wood stake or something to stand these back up. I tried to stand it up the other day and broke the plastic one, so something I didn't count on. I think next year when I use the plastic ones, I put them every 4 plants. I think I'm gonna do every 2 plants next year. But the tomatoes look great. Peppers I'm kind of worried about. They don't seem to be doing as good as last year, but we'll look at those later. That's it for my chores. Well, part 2 will be tonight, and I won't show you that. I gotta go through and pick the cucumber, squash, and I'll walk through here and see if there's any tomatoes. Hope you enjoyed doing chores with me today. Enjoyed having you. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all my new subscribers. We post videos 7 days a week. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, support your local farmer. We'll be at the farmers market Saturday. Check out our Facebook page. We'll see you down there in the farm in the next video.